let's address a common issue that many homeowners face: condensation in newly built homes. Before we dive into the steps to reduce condensation, let's take a moment to understand why it occurs on windows and walls. Condensation is the result of excess moisture in the air coming into contact with cooler surfaces. When warm, humid air meets a colder surface, such as a window or a wall, the air cools down, and its capacity to hold moisture decreases. As a result, the excess moisture transforms into tiny droplets of water, leading to condensation. To prevent this, ensure that your home has adequate ventilation. Open windows and use exhaust fans in kitchens, bathrooms, and laundry areas to remove excess moisture from the air. This will help maintain a balanced humidity level and reduce the chance of condensation forming on windows and other surfaces. Good air circulation is key to combating condensation. Make sure your furniture, especially large pieces, is positioned away from exterior walls. This allows air to flow freely and prevents the formation of stagnant pockets where moisture can accumulate. Additionally, using ceiling fans or portable fans can promote air movement and help disperse moisture, reducing the likelihood of condensation. In areas with high humidity, consider using a dehumidifier to maintain optimal moisture levels. This is particularly important during seasons when condensation is more likely to occur. Set the dehumidifier to a level between 35 to 45% humidity to prevent excessive drying of the air. Consider installing double or triple glazing windows that provide better insulation. These simple adjustments can make a big difference in preventing condensation buildup on windows and walls.